Fair use is a defense against a claim of copyright infringement, and it lays out situations in which you do not need to get a copyright owner's permission to use their material. Fair use means you can use existing copyrighted content in new ways that provide value beyond the original. There are 4 factors that determine fair use: the purpose and character of the use. This is a test between commercial nature versus a non-profit educational purpose, the nature of the work, the amount and substantiality of the portion used in relation to the copyright work as a whole, and the effect of the use on the potential market or value of the copyrighted work. What's important to know about fair use is that fair use is based on fairness, and it's based on a case-by-case basis. So that means that there is no bright line rule, and that each case falls on its own facts. In fact, the Supreme Court has made it clear that all factors must be considered in any given case. Fair use does not allow you to steal other people's work. Rather, the purpose of fair use is to promote creativity and to allow people to make more original creations. The following items are usually deemed fair use and thus may be a defense to copyright infringement. Criticism and commentary. Critique of a copyrighted work, such as a book review, are typically considered fair use. Parody. Parodying an artist's work is considered fair use. For example, YouTube parodies. News reporting. For example, copyrighted material that is needed to explain a news event to the public is typically considered fair use. Research and scholarship. A work contributing to research and educational purposes may require using others' copyrighted reference material and may also be considered fair use. Also, non-profit educational uses. Teachers and instructors may use copyrighted materials to instruct their students for educational purposes. Keep in mind that each of these uses is rather complicated, so make sure to talk to an intellectual property lawyer before you use anybody else's copyrighted material. We've covered the basis of the fair use doctrine, so you can be more aware of when you may be able to use copyrighted material without the copyright owner's permission. However, it's always better and more safe to attempt to get permission from the original copyright owner, as this will show good faith on your part to prevent copyright infringement.